Okay, good morning. This is the Padlet demonstration for the app of the week for the iPads. But having said that, this will work on PCs, it will work on any web browser. It's a really versatile bit of software. If we go to a web browser such as Internet Explorer and type in www.padlet.com, and that will take us to this page here. And you need to sign up and get yourself a login, but that's really simple to do. I'm just going to use my login, which is CGL. Glenthal. This is my old login. But yeah, once you've got one, you don't need any more. And there we go, we're in. Okay, so quite simply, we just start a new Padlet. So if we want to go create new Padlet, and it comes up with this. Now, what you can't see is the sidebar, which is like that. It'd be a bit clearer for you. Okay, so if I just double click, I'm just going to put a question on. What were the factors leading up to the Second World War? Okay, so then you can post that question and you can move this around and you can do other things as well. You can actually drag and drop videos in there as well, but what you need to do now is share it. So this is a share button. We'll just have a quick look at this, and at the bottom you can see there is a website. You can share that website with students. It may be that you want to copy and paste that into an email to your class. So let's just get my email account open, and there we go. And we'll just type in an email to whoever you want to send it to. So I'm sending it to myself and now, and paste in the email, which is Control V or right click, and that should go. So then if I look on my email on my iPad, I should be able to see that link. So here we go. Okay, go up to the top and there's an email from me, and I've got a link. So click on the link and it'll take me to that Padlet. And you can obviously do this with all the students in your class, so everyone has access to the same Padlet. And then on the iPad you can just double click and write an answer. Helps if you spell it right. Okay, and then click out of it, and so that's on the iPad. And if we move the iPad out of the way, we can see in the background, here we go, it's just appeared on my screen. And obviously if you have lots of students doing that, you can get quite a discussion going. So here's another one. And there we have, someone else has put something up there. Actually, that was me as well. But you can see that that is now starting to build up as a bit of a notice board. Like I say, you can put other things on there. You can drop and drag video files or audio files. So if you want to have a discussion about that sort of thing, that would be fine as well. And then you've got all sorts of different things you can play around with this, or you can start a new wall. So do have a look at that. It's really simple, really easy to use. You can literally do it off the cuff and just write in a question for a plenary. Kids can start having a look, or you can do it as a homework where everyone needs to comment. You can have privacy settings as well, so you can have it so you can check every comment that's put up there. You can make them have to log in, so this comes under the settings and privacy. You can have all these different options for privacy, so you can have as much control or as little control as you like. I hope that's a useful idea for you. See you next week.